textures or brushes are usually scaled up during the painting process quite big. So we really want to have a stable resolution that can keep up throughout the whole painting. Let's go for 3000 by 3000 pixels. That is like the least resolution I would begin with. Starting with that, we're now going to select a picture. In this case, I'm going to pick the picture of a cool tree that I took in West Africa.
You simply drag and drop your file from your browser onto the canvas.
And so the window that is opening now is actually the camera raw window, as I shot this image in the CR2 format. So you can also use JPEG or PNG. It really doesn't matter. So you're totally free in using your personal resources. So
I actually like to use RAW or CR2 files
because you have like the option to change like the contrast and stuff like just on the fly, and that is actually pretty handy when you're working with textures. I'm just going to leave it like that and press OK here, so that we can make our adjustments with the inbuilt Photoshop image adjustment tools.